Ayan. And of course, si Sean also. Yes. Alright. Once again, Raven Rigor. Raven, hello, how are you? Raven, of course, a message to all of your friends who are part of Love at First Sight.
Sa lahat ng
Our power couple, Alexa Ilacan and KD Estrada. First Sight blue carpet. Ayan. O diba, napakabongga. FYI guys, gusto ko lang sabihin, napakaganda ng buhok ni Alexa. O diba, I love it. Napakaganda ng kulay. Sa Ilacan.
Hello.
Hi, Kuya.